Today is couch or sofa cleaning day. The professional cleaners are about to arrive any minute, so I'm going to take you with me as we get this done. It's been 1 week and I can't wait to have this professionally cleaned and steamed. I've never done that before, so this is going to be really interesting. I had to document. Okay, so the sofa has no bed bugs, but one thing about it is it stinks. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it smells. I can't even sit on it. I'm always like putting something down before I sit on it. So I can't wait to finally sit on it today after it's clean. So that's one thing. It has a nasty smell that I cannot stand. It almost smells like dog pee. So yeah. I'm gonna sip my espresso as I watch them clean my sofa. So let's watch this sofa get cleaned. Let's go. Here's all the stains that it has. That's some of them. Not too many, but like all of this. And there's this big one here on the back. So here is another notable stain that stands out. So here's the before, so that's how it looks like. You're gonna see how it looks like after. And here's another stain that I want all of these little things in here and all of these little things in here. Just dirt, really, to be just taken out. So let's see how this goes. So here is my chair before. Obviously from far away, it looks really clean, but you've seen the stains close up. There's a lot of stains in there that I just want out. So this is how it looks like. It's going to be, the colour's probably going to be different, as they said, when they're done, because they're going to do a lot of stuff in here to bring the colour in, really suck out the colour. So yeah, you're going to see. Let's see how this looks like after. Let's go. Okay. So this is how it came out. It's all clean. My couch is clean, and they said no bed bugs. So for all of you saying bed bugs, it's got no bed bugs. Do you remember this? No stain. It's absolutely clean. There was a stain that was here. They got that out. And who remembers the back? The back had a big stain here. Absolutely gone. Like, you can't even see it anymore. It was right here and it's gone. All of it is just clean. All of here had stains, like dirt just here. They got rid of all of that. Like, if you look, the edges are just all clean. There is no single stain. All of that dirt is completely gone. All of the wear and tear that was on here is completely gone. It is like a brand new sofa. It does not look like how it looked like when I got it. Like, the color is just vibrant, like, wow. So look at how clean this looks like one last time. I'm amazed, and I'm going to put the information of the cleaners who did this. If you're in Houston, Texas, you have to check them out. Very good rate to do all of this. I'm going to put all the information in this video.